Well, the crowded Memorial Day weekend arrived just as California is dealing with that surge in COVID cases and hospitalizations. NBC Bay Area's Robert Handa joins us from Campbell after talking to people balancing COVID safety with holiday plans.
I decided might as well be wearing it.
It is a bit of a gamble to go indoors into a crowded movie theater in the midst of what some medical experts call a big-time surge of COVID cases, as well as a major uptick in hospitalizations. Many people who came here to see the new Top Gun movie told us they were aware of the upward trend, but not overly concerned, even some who were wearing masks.
I probably am a little more sensitive to how other people are feeling as that happens, but I'm still doing the same things I did a year ago.
Health officials are still urging people to try to keep their activities outdoors whenever possible. David Chai and his family did just that, spending part of Memorial Day at this Willow Glen Park. But even outside, his family decided to stay masked because he'd heard about the surge.
Just recently, I had like a handful of friends, families come down with it as well. And so it's real, it's out there, it's happening, and you just got to be smart about it.
Dr. Monica Gandhi agrees with her colleagues at UCSF that the public needs to step up its game to stay well, but points out the Bay Area's high rate of vaccinations and natural immunity means more cases, but far less severe disease and deaths. She'd like to see those who aren't responding well to the vaccines get therapeutics.
Cases used to mean a lot, right? Like cases and hospitalizations would track with each other. It was really important to do what we could to keep down cases. This decoupling between cases and hospitalizations, between cases and deaths, is a function of immunity. And that's where we are in the pandemic.
With all those factors in play, Dr. Gandhi says experts predict the peak of this surge will come around the end of this month and hopefully trend down significantly by the second or third week of June. In Campbell, Robert Handa, NBC Bay Area News.
Thank you.